Yes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, to another video, to another episode, to another crazy story. It's time to go straight to the point and say it. It's time to hold the bull by the horns. It's time to move because we're in 2025 and time is running. Time is ticking by. It's time to call a spade a spade. It's time to let bygones be bygones. It's time to say it the way I saw the comments on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, every social media platform. It's time to say it the way I heard the stories, the way I saw it, the way I discovered everything that I discovered. I'm at home right now, chilling, just enjoying myself, just relaxing. And this thing came to me that I want to say right now. This thing came to my mind, to my brain, that I want to say right now. Okay, this is how it goes. From hillside to riverside to Benside to Luveve to Makokoba to Pumula South to Pumula North to Kumalo to Mzilikazi to Lobengula to Bulawayo CBD to Matopos to Insiza, Ngai, Inyati, Nyamanlov. I never saw somebody putting on clothing or clothes, these designer brands, designer labels, with the designer names. Talk of Gucci, talk of LV, talk of Zara, talk of Christian Louboutin, talk of Giorgio Armani, talk of Calvin Klein. You talk of every designer label that you know, that you read on the internet or in the books or in the magazines or in the newsletters. I never saw somebody in Bulawayo, in Matebelen province, in Matebelen region, putting on or wearing a designer brand, a designer label, a designer on his body, on her body. When I was in Bulawayo, in Matebelen province, in Matebelen region, for 3 good weeks, 21 days, and I was moving everywhere, to every hospital, to every clinic, to every government school, primary school, high school, polytechnic, college, university, training center, vocational training center in Bulawayo, in Matebelen province. Yeah, I was surprised. I'm like, what's happened in Matebelen? What's happened in Bulawayo? What's happened in Matebelen region? I never saw somebody putting on a designer label, designer brand, a designer name on a body, on his body. No Zara, no Gucci, no Christian Louboutin, no Giorgio Armani, no Calvin Klein, no Daniel Hester. I was very surprised. I was very shocked. Like, what is happening in Matebelen? Are there no rich people in Matebelen? Are there no people with the money, with the cash, who are loaded in Matebelen, in Bulawayo, in Matebelen region? All my time in this city, in this province, I never saw any woman, any man, any guy, any girl, whatever, putting on materials, clothing or clothing materials from these international designer brands. I never saw anyone. I was traveling, I was moving to various points, various spots and places in Matebelen, in Bulawayo, because of the nature of my work, because of the nature of my occupation at that time, because of the nature of my business operations that I was doing. I never saw anyone putting on Gucci, putting on Ralph Lauren, putting on Zara, putting on Dior, putting on Christian Louboutin, put on Giorgio Armani. I never saw anyone. I don't know. I don't understand. Are there no rich people in Matebele? Are there no people with money in Matebele? From Luveve to Mzilikazi to Lobengula to Kumalo to Makokoba to Hillside to Riverside to North End. I never saw anyone with the Gucci or Louboutin or LV or Zara or Giorgio Armani or Ralph Lauren or Calvin Klein on his or her body. Are there no rich people in Matebele? Are there no people with the money, with the cash? Are people not loaded in Bulawayo, in Matebele province, in Matebele region? These were just my thoughts, my contemplations in my head. Right now, today, I'm like, okay, let me just make a video. Just like what I did right now. Just my random thoughts, my contemplations, my reflections in my mind concerning Bulawayo, Matebele province, Matebele region. What do you say? What is your take? What is your comment? What is your postulation? What is your submission on what I just said? What do you say about Ndebele people and designer brands? Don't they like them? Or they have no money? Or they have no whatever? Why they don't wear them? Why they don't use them? Why they don't put them on their bodies? What is the fact? What is the issue? What is the factor? What is the story behind? I never saw anyone. Like the way I just said, I never saw anybody. I never. Until I came back to Harare, to my place, to my house, the capital city of Zimbabwe, Harare city, Harare town. These are my random thoughts. These are my random contemplations, honest thoughts. Write, type your comments in the comment section. I'm done talking. I'm signing out. Peace and sharp.